Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I made this just yesterday. I've closed up the ends because the gentleman wanted to use an artistic media tool on it. So if I'm going to make an artistic media tool, I'm going to make it longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click, right click. And it just so happens that there's a midpoint like right there. So what I can do is take a 2-point line. Well, that's not very kind of messed up. Hold down the control button and bring it over here to this midpoint of this length and just delete that end and then take away your line. Control G to group this, Control D to duplicate it, and grab your two-sided arrow and just put it there. And now you have a longer length. Now, I'm pretty sure we're going to have to, no, it worked. You can weld it and put it together. So I'm going to take away the outline. I don't even know that there was one. So this thing is 248 inches long. Let's make it 60 with my ratio lock. It's people go, well, you had it, but I needed it smaller. So I'm going to take an easy one first with the freehand tool, and I'm just going to make a curved line. I'm actually going to straighten it out just a little bit. Not really straighten it out, but make it a little bit more symmetrical. Now, the thing about it, this is 60 inches. To find out the length of the, see, the Corel thinks this line's 90, well, it's 97 from there to there, but the line is longer. So we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And if it's a curve, which this is the line's a curve, just click on right here, and we've got 117.30 inches. So we can either make it smaller. Now it's 77, 67, 57, and you could, the easiest way to do it, let's make this big. So it's 75.84. Let's make this, with our ratio locked, 75.84. Having a little trouble typing. So now that line is as long as that line. Have it selected, go to your artistic media brush, and go right here to brush and click on it. And right here is a save, like a little disk. I don't ever name it, but I'm just going to call this 1111. I'll never use it again. Now we can get our artistic media brush back and put it on that line. Now it looks like it didn't do anything, but you've got to go up or down right here to make it change. And see, we're way little. Let's make it like 0.1. Man, let's make it 1. See, it's going to distort it. Let's make it 5. It's got to distort it. I mean, there's no way around it, but that's still pretty cool. And you could just keep making it thicker and thicker and thicker. It's the same thing. Now, make a harder one. Okay, also see when you move it, your line is still actually there. So you've got to go to Object, break it apart, and then you get your line and take your line out. And you have that graphic. See it, when it went around the corners, it made this one shorter. But this is what he's wanting to do. Let's make it an ellipse. And I've got to go to Object and convert it to a curve to find out the length of this line. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And so long as that curly Q curve line comes up. So we're 168 inches around there. Let's make it smaller. 130, 112. Okay, 100.82. Pretty even number. I'm going to make this 100.82 long. And we might have to play with this. Making a new artistic, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it bugs me. Something wrong with my computer. I'm going to go back to the artistic media tool, click on it, and go save it again as, let's go 22222. Doesn't matter. And then click on your circle and then go up or down. And now there's going to, well, there's actually not a, that's perfect. I mean, that, now if you wanted it intermingled, uh, we could do that too. But if you, well, we need to do that. But you know, I hate making my videos longer than they are. So let's make 2 parts. So this will actually be part 3. But that's still pretty cool. Anyway, so stay tuned for part 3, hopefully. Thank you for watching.